In 2030, every other new car sold will be electrified. But why does this mean that thermal management is becoming more and more crucial for the automotive industry? To be able to operate electric and hybrid vehicles at a particularly high level of efficiency, it's necessary to maintain an optimal temperature range for the electric motor, the power electronics, and the battery. A perfectly designed thermal management system is required to achieve this. Brief peak loads in connection with high current flows, such as from recuperation and boosting, significantly increase the temperature of the battery cells. Furthermore, high outside temperatures in the summer months can lead to the temperature quickly reaching the critical 40 degrees Celsius level. The entire cooling system is divided into several circuits. Driven by the coolant pump, the coolant flows to special actuators which regulate the amount of cooling each of the components has. Valves are electrically controlled and open or close parts of the circuit as required or connect several circuits together. Our pumps are responsible for circulation in the vehicle circuit. Pumps are connected so as to be continuously variable. They can be used as minor or circulation pumps. They operate independently of the engine and as required. The media pump MP150 is perfect for applications in the electrified powertrain, for example, for battery conditioning or cooling the e-machine. When the electronics are actively cooled in coolant pumps, it significantly expands the application range of typical wet duct systems. This is because it enables operation at higher electrical currents and coolant temperatures while also being largely independent of the ambient temperature. The cooling valve actuator, COVA, is an actuator for cooling valves and replaces conventional thermostats. It is usually mounted on multi-circuit valve and supports the variable coolant flow to satisfy the increased demands in electric vehicles. Serial mode versus parallel mode. The COVA is the strongest actuator within the thermal management system. It receives the main load from the pump and reliably regulates the sub-distribution. Thanks to the integrated SIPOS sensor, this guarantees fast response times for precise control of the coolant temperature and flow. In other words, it is perfectly suited to demanding complex valve combinations with higher power requirements. The Smart Universal Rotary Actuator, Smart URA from Hella, controls the coolant valve, meaning that it supports the variable coolant flow. Position and error feedback can be transmitted via the LIN interface. The URA is used on mixing valves to ensure that the amount of heat is regulated particularly accurately. Thanks to the integrated SIPOS sensor, the URA operates undisturbed even in harsh environmental conditions and offers a wide range of applications as a result. In electrified vehicles, an optimum heat balance can only be achieved by using thermal management products and intelligent valve control, and the vehicle then moves with maximum efficiency.